Welcome to BA 131 CS 120 Business Computing Intro to Computers, Assignment 5 Smart Art Flowcharts. In this assignment, we are going to learn, or this video, we're going to learn how to create a smart art flowchart and how to design the smart art flowchart. And we'll also learn a little bit why we should use smart art. In the assignment, you are asked to sequence your educational career from beginning to end or to some level at all. So for me, I started out with Cairo Elementary, Ontario Junior High, Ontario High School, Treasure Valley Community College, Boise State University, and then Nova Southeastern University. In the process of designing my flowchart or my smart art flowchart, I also added some images into here and gave it a title. Flowcharts can be simple, super complex and animated, colorful and have images, demonstrate competence, help you get friends, and are used many times when developing software. Businesses use flowcharts to demonstrate how a process works from start to finish, where products are coming from, how they are tested, where they're going, and how they get packaged. From sales to marketing to even family trees and corporate hierarchy, graphs and charts and flowcharts are made to make our life easier to understand what's directly in front of us without reading multiple pages of documents. Microsoft Word uses a flowchart called Smart Art. Smart Art can be found by going into Insert and then Smart Art. I'm going to start a new document and we will build a Smart Art flowchart again. To begin the process, I go to Insert and then I go to Smart Art and I choose from a gallery of Smart Art. The one that I chose earlier was just a simple Smart Art like this. Once I have the wizard open, I can then go up here to Text Pane and I can begin to add content into there. So for mine, I chose to put in here Cairo Elementary. And I went down to the next one. And Ontario back one. And then Ontario High School. And we can keep adding those on to there. And so on and so forth. After editing each row, we can then go out of our editor and then we can begin to edit the table itself or the chart itself. So on this one, when you're design view, we can change the color options to just black, grayish colored outline, multiple colors, a single different color. We can go all the way down and turn it to green. We can have there's many different options available to us in our design. I'm going to go ahead and choose a colorful one here. One of the first things I want to do with this flowchart is to change the orientation of my paper. So I'm going to go up here to Page Layout and then go to Orientation and go Landscape. In doing so, I will be able to expand my flowchart to a bigger view. Next, I want to add some pictures to it. I'm going to go Insert an online picture and choose an image such as playground. I'm going to grab something from the playground here, and I'm going to insert that picture. Now, here's something that's a little tricky when adding images to something like this is you need to make them so that they can overlap. Not only that, but you want to make this one so you can overlap also. And this is you got to experiment with those options. Go up here. I'm going to shrink this down a little tiny bit. And in the spirit of having it be similar to the one I created earlier, I'm going to add the images in there like that. I'm going to do that one more time for you guys. So I'm going to go insert an image. Next one, let's make that skateboarding. After inserting that image, the first thing I want to do is I want to make it so I can move the image around a little bit and overlap into my existing image. And we can kind of put it in place there. So what I did is I edited right here and here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of those images in there. Okay, and now I've added the images. Now last but not least is adding a little title into here. So for me, the way I added my title was I went to insert a text box and I said educational flowchart. Alright. I'm going to also make this one so I can overlap it. Oops, overlap it there. I'm going to add some artwork to it. And increase the size. And there we go. And that's about as much of a smart art flowchart as you need to have for a really good grade on this assignment. All right. I hope that this was helpful for you today. When creating flowcharts, remember, flowcharts are super helpful across the board for all kinds of different areas of expertise in production, in business, in farming, in school, in cooking, all kinds of different areas. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and I hope that I can't wait to see your guys' flowcharts on your education or any other flowcharts that you decide to make. Thanks for watching. In this video today, assignment 5, Smart Art, we went over creating smart art, and we also went over smart art design, and I also showed you some different areas out in the industries where smart art is used or smart art flowcharts are used. Thank you so much.